Today we're going to create a very simple expense spreadsheet using Excel. So I'll start Excel, start with a blank workbook. Okay, so we'll put, excuse me, we'll put our categories in this column here, A column. So that'll be like our mortgage, our water, our electric. And we'll put our months across this way. So I'll start up here in cell B1. And I'll put this up here out of my way because I don't need him right now. So we'll start January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And then over here we'll do our categories. Water, gas, and you also notice how this last category doesn't fit in the cell. To fix that, you just come up here till you turn to the double arrows and you double click. And it auto sizes to the largest entry in that column. So now we have all of our months. We're going to add one more column, which we will call year to date. Okay. So what will happen is after we put our amounts in here, we will add everything in two different directions. We'll add it by month, and then we'll add it by how much we've paid for that category over the year to date. So to do that, we'll start. This is where we're going to add up whatever numbers we put in these columns, right in these cells right here. So easiest way to do that is to come up here and click on auto sum. Since we don't have any numbers typed in, it's kind of confused on what it needs to do because it doesn't know. So we're going to tell it B2 colon B7. B2 is your starting cell right here. B7 is your ending cell. The colon tells it to get every cell in between. If you put a comma there, it will get B2 and B7, but not B3, B4, B5, or B6. So we're good there. Good, it's 0. Now, we want to copy this cell. Control C and copy it across. Control V. Now we're going to do the same thing here, except instead of summing down, we're going to sum across. So we'll hit our auto sum again. Again, we don't have any numbers typed in, so it's confused. So this time we're going to do B2 starting there, but we're going to end up with this cell right here, which is M2. So we tell him M2, and now he's happy, and everybody is 0. Same thing. To copy it, Control C, Control V, and now everybody's happy. Now we can start typing in some fake numbers. So we will. 1750.25 55.66, 45.78, whatever. 2387.54 and 88.32. Doesn't matter. Fake numbers. As you can see, as we typed in our numbers, it updated all of our totals that we have here. We will do one more thing. Since these are money amounts, we want them to look like money amounts. So we will format all of our cells. So we will highlight all of our cells. We will right click. We will do format cells, and we'll tell it to be currency. And you can just leave all of these standards at your standard $sign and 2 decimals. So now we click OK. We have money amounts. We have currency format. So now we can save this file. Save as, because this will be the first time we save it. This PC, save him in documents, and we'll call it my EXPE expense, my expense. And there you have it. That is it.